is these things? These kind of airplanes or something? There's two more over there. See, there's one. I'm just about to find them. Very little sound is coming out of these things. What's puzzling me, but I mean, these things, I mean, of course, they look a lot darker than what they are, but you can see the shape of them. They're some kind of plane, and you can plainly hear they are. That's not right here. This is not. But walk through over there. There's three of them in there right now. Way down there.